Oh, look, now I look dirty. Look, I have hair in my mouth. Ew. What's up, guys? What's poppin'? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. Today's video is very simple, very straightforward. I'm removing my braids and I just wanted to take you guys on this very beautiful journey. I haven't had these braids in for that long. I think I got them done right after Christmas, like December 27th, I believe is the day. But I'm gonna be really honest, I went for like a knotless look and they are kind of knotless, but I feel like the girl added too much hair at the root, so I felt like these braids didn't look knotless, they just looked like box braids. So but anyways, I'm gonna be removing my braids and showing you guys kind of like what I do. I have filmed a video similar to this one before when I had some other braids in my hair, but I think that one's kind of old, so I guess this is kind of like an updated braid removal and aftercare type of thing that I'm doing. So the first thing that I like to do is cut all of the braids, and I try to cut it where I think my hair stops. This one is very evident because, you know, you can see my hair all here. Alright, so I'm gonna start here, and I guess I'll just cut it. So now that that's done, the next step is obviously to start removing the braids. But what I like to do, so that I can have like a goal to reach kind of, is I just put them all up into a ponytail. Like this. And then I just start grabbing one by one and I start removing the braids. So I do have some build up, and I just take my finger and I kind of just break the build up and finger detangle through to get all of that out of there. I don't have any specific technique. I don't like use the comb or anything. This is just literally what I do to get all the buildup out and take out like any shed hair. So I am finally finished taking out all of these braids. That took me, what time is it? That took me about an hour. I started like at 7:20 and it's 8:23 right now. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is just take some oil, and this is Foreplay by BetterLength Cosmetics. It has a mixture of a couple of oils: olive oil, coconut oil, castor oil, soybean, all of that extra stuff. I'm taking that, and this is kind of like my pre-poo part of the removal of these braids, because what I'm trying to do is break the cast of the product some more, even though I did it as I was removing the braids. But I'm doing this so that I can detangle my hair easier. So I have a wide tooth comb, and I also have a smaller comb that has two sides to it. I kind of alternate between the two, but I'm gonna start off with this big wide tooth comb, my gosh. And just gonna start from my ends and work my way up to my roots. I think my braid removal process is pretty straightforward. It's very simple. I don't do anything too fancy. So the parts that I feel are still like kind of clumped together, like the braid pieces, I kind of just separate the hair. I'm gonna take my big comb, start detangling. I do feel my hair very moisturized. I was oiling my scalp here and there. I'm one of those people that when I wear protective styles, it's kind of like my chance to be lazy, you know, like, yeah, they're meant to help your hair grow and all that, and I love that about it, but I'm not the type to like oil my scalp every day and wear the hairstyle too long to the point where I have to like wash it. Like here and there I'll have my box braids in for like a month. And that's very rare. And at the month point is when I feel like I need to wash my hair. And at that point, I'm just like, I'm gonna take this out. All right, so that's done. Oh, look, now I look dirty. Look, I have hair in my mouth. Ew. Now, if you're one of those people that you don't like detangling your hair while it's dry, by all means, you know, do it in the shower. For me personally, I just feel like detangling it outside of the shower first, and then, you know, going through it with the comb again in the shower with some deep conditioner in my hair. It just works easier. But, you know, we all have our own preferences. I'm about to hop in the shower so you can see kind of what I do. Actually, it's nothing different. I'm just going to show you guys the products that I'm going to be using. The shampoo and the conditioner and all that good stuff. So on this specific day, I decided to use the Detangling Hydration Shampoo by The Main Choice. This is actually one of my favorite shampoos, and I think you guys have actually seen this on some previous videos because I just really like the way this shampoo makes my hair feel. I can detangle my hair while I'm using it, and it doesn't strip my hair of its moisture. After braid removal or any protective style, I like to focus my shampooing process on my scalp and my edges. And I do this specifically because my edges are always exposed to makeup and a whole bunch of oils with the oils that I use on my skin and all this extra stuff. So I know that my edges always need a little bit extra love and a little bit extra cleansing to make sure that they're getting clean. And since my scalp has been the part of my hair that has been exposed the most, I just like to make sure that I'm cleansing it out and that I'm having a fresh new start for whatever style I'm about to do next. Then I followed up with the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. I love this hair mask, y'all. Like, I love it mainly because it is so thick. All right, this product is so thick and I feel like my hair just loves to drink it up. This product definitely softens my hair. It helps me have an easier detangling process. It moisturizes, it conditions, and it hydrates my curls, all while repairing any damage that I may have and protecting my hair against any breakage. I just love this deep conditioner. I love this hair mask. And after completing the deep conditioning and detangling process, all I pretty much do is put on a shower cap and I leave this in my hair for about 20 minutes. Let that penetrate into all of my hair strands, let it do its thing. And then I wash it out and I proceed to styling my hair. That pretty much concludes my braid removal and aftercare routine. I hope that this video was helpful and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.